Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Pamela. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, please kindly join the list squad, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will be the first person to see, period. So fam, as I promise you, basically I'll be doing everything in this channel. I'll be doing everything. We gossip, we entertain, we educate. So guys, on today's video we are going to be talking about these two gentlemen you are seeing on my screen, Danny Green and Nabil from Napstar TV. And along the line we are going to be adding one comedian also, John. Whether it's John Skit Crazy, I will leave his name, I will leave a screenshot of his name. So guys, we have here today, what we are going to talk about here today is these two Cameroon entertainers. Danny Green is a Cameroonian comedian who started comedy some years ago and was specified his niche in comedy was crying, but later on he now started adding things to his comedy like skits and so many other things, which are quite cool though. Then the next person we have here is this gentleman Nabil from Napstar TV. Napstar TV is a radio presenter. He owns he owns Napstar, and I learned from recent that he's planning to open another branch in Nigeria. Nap TV Nigeria, yes, we represent. So this Nap TV has been doing a lot in the Cameroon entertainment industry. Like I've been seeing so many artists, I've been seeing so many comedians I never knew we have such talent in Cameroon. I've been seeing them on his shows. Even when Tenny came to Cameroon, he was interviewed in she was interviewed in Nap TV. Like they had fun. Stanley Eno has been going to Nap TV, Salati has been going to Nap TV. He even has some cups and some t-shirts that he's selling, but actually, for us that we are far, it's kind of complicated. So the issue that brought us today is this Danny Green guy. Danny Green, first of all, before I go into this video, I just want to say something quick. If this is a publicity stunt, please, this is not the good way to be going about it. Like your kind of publicity stunt, I don't understand. So I will post the screenshot here so that let me give you a brief background of what happened before posting the screenshot. Like recently, Nap TV upload a video of Danny Green, and if you check that video very well, you will see that he tagged Danny Green, and he even tagged Big G Cameroon artist. He tagged them in the write-up. While uploading the video, is like he omitted Danny Green's logo, making Danny Green like seeing these pictures. Like, guys, I'm really pissed off. I don't know why I don't know why I'm pissed off on this video. Seeing something like that from someone that you have visited his studio, you have once worked, you have talked with the person, instead of you to like inbox the person or say ask the person, bro, how far, what, I don't understand what you posted, why do you remove my logo from my video, period, rather than going online and leaving unnecessary message. Because I don't understand the problem with Danny Green. When you start doing something better, you always try to look for a means to spoil it. This is not publicity, whether it's publicity stunt or what, this is not how we do it. So this is the screenshot of what Danny Green posted in relation to what Nap TV posted. Nap TV posted a video of Danny Green without the Danny Green logo on A2, aka 237 Tankaya, and this is the response he could receive, or this is the response he got from someone that he knows in person. It's like me, a Cameroonian YouTuber, like a fellow YouTuber will post my content without my name. Like I don't even like, and he or she even put my name. I don't even have to respond, or like, let me just put it, guys, so that we can as well read. And I will post a screenshot of Napstar TV to show how mature he is in handling situations. Let's go. This is a screenshot, guys. See me witchcraft for daytime. I go post my video not up to 1 hour. Some blog don't carry my video, go re-edit them, remove my handle tag from it, and then post the video for their page. This is happening in Cameroon right now. I
Why
swear, if
spend
I
so much
vex
energy carrying
now,
my video, go edit
really
and
wipe
tell
my
which
hand
kind
before
bad
you
luck
post.
this?
If una know
If you don't
man
want
wey get this blog, una tell them make they no play with me. I no be normal human being. So guys, he was just like talking. Meanwhile, this is someone that you have taken pictures with. You can't tell me that you don't know Nap TV. There's no artist, or there's no a TV's like guys, you can't tell me that you don't know Nap TV
that is being
some
recognized by
Salatier, Blaze
Steve
B, Mr. Leo. Then you are there sitting acting as if you don't know Nap TV. You should have handled this thing as a business person and as a matured person. You should have inboxed Nap TV and you ask him question. So guys, this is the response of Nap TV. Let me post it so that we can read it together. So this is a screenshot of Nap TV trying to explain what happened before the logo of Danny Green was deleted. He was the editor, or I don't know who is in charge of the editing in Nap TV, was trying to like screen record the whole thing. And yeah, I understand, like for us content creators, even though people think we are not content creators, but yeah, we are really we are content creators in real life. So when you are trying to screen record something, most especially when you screen record something and you want to like crop it, you definitely end up omitting some parts, not intentionally. At the end of, there are some videos that you will post, then now realize that, oh, this is missing, not because you intentionally want to omit the part from the video, but just because you cropped in the wrong way. So if you want to read carefully the screenshot of Nap TV, you can go to Nap TV. You can check them on Facebook, Instagram, and follow them. And as for you, Danny Green 237, aka Danny Green 237 Tankraya, please, if this is not a publicity stunt, just kindly like try to handle situations in a more mature way, because this is the third time that you're rubbishing yourself on the internet. In as much as you try to forget certain things, you keep bringing them back. You keep trying to bring certain things back. You sign contract with Orange, you make a drama. You sign you want to promote your business, you make drama. This kind of publicity storm only make you to lose fans, not gain fans. Then on the next series, we have this Cameroonian comedian who says Danny Green as well copy from him. But before I post the screenshot, I just want to let each and every one of us know, in this social media is all about copying. Copy and rebrand, copy and rebrand, copy and rebrand. I can copy your stuff, rebrand it, and make it my own way. So this is a screenshot. This is a comedian that John Skit Crazy. Yeah, this is the comedian that I was trying to talk about in the beginning of my video. I've been checking his videos, and like, this guy is kind of creative and funny as well. He's very entertaining. So have peace, stay blessed, and be safe.